What is quantum jumping and how can you do it for yourself? Welcome back to another video. I'm Maximilian. I help entrepreneurs reprogram their life, rewire their minds for happiness, success, abundance, fulfillment, confidence, you name it, I do it. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly what quantum jumping is and how you can do it for yourself. So before we get started, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post. So first things first with quantum jumping is we need to understand that we are multi-dimensional beings and there are multiple realities in the breadline for us. There's the version of you that is happy, healthy, wealthy, successful, free, whatever it is. There's the version of you that's taking drugs right now. There's the version of you that's in prison right now. There's the version of you that's not even alive right now. There's the version of you, there's so many, there's infinite versions of you. Anything you can possibly think of, there is a version of you doing that. There's a version of you playing professional football. There's a version of you being a YouTuber. The difference is, we need to tap into the energy in order to align our frequency with that of the reality we desire to jump into. So you can jump into your new reality by shifting your energy alone. Now, we are made up of energy. Everything is energy and energy is everything. Because without energy, nothing would exist. This, I got in Peru when I went to do ayahuasca. As you can see, it's not in English. This is made up of energy. What's inside the bottle and what's outside and what the bottle is made of, is completely different. The energy at which it resonates at is the reason why one is a liquid that can be dissolved into your skin and the other one is a solid that is a bottle or a solid. Because at the end of the day, anything has such small particles, such small energy, it's all moving like that, everything. If you zoom in deep enough on a microscope, you can look at the particles and you can see that everything is actually moving, even though it looks like a solid object. So theoretically, this is highly unlikely, and the possibility is, it's not zero, but it's very, very low. But it's possible for you to go like this enough times. If you did this enough times, your hand, the atoms of your hand can go through the wall. And the reason why your hand doesn't go through the wall is because the electrons of your hand bounce off the electrons of the wall, which create the solid-like texture, which allow it to seem solid to us. But as I said, if you zoom in deep enough, it's made up of energy. Everything's made up of energy. And you may have heard the saying, your vibe attracts your tribe, and what you emit, what you give off, is what comes back to you. And you may have also seen the video of famous people talking about law of attraction, and Denzel Washington saying,
well, I mean, positively and negative. I mean, you attract, not just what you feel, you attract what you feel, what you are, what you attract. What's on your mind.
It's like exactly. The law of physics. I don't know how anybody can disagree with that. It's ask any physicist, they'll tell you that it's true. Yeah.
How you think, feel, and act is what comes to you. So essentially what you can do is you can make that quantum leap into your new reality by just changing your vibrational frequency. For example, if a radio is frequency at 95.8, and if you're from the UK, you'll understand this reference, you will be getting capital radio through your radio. If your frequency is at 100, you will be getting KISS through your radio. Some areas do not able to facilitate that. So what this goes to show is some people, being around some people or some places, maybe a job, negative people, negative experiences whatsoever, you cannot surpass your energy to KISS, to 100, to KISS. It's not possible. So for example, the area I live, KISS isn't possible to get around here. KISS 100, you can't tune into that radio frequency because it's not possible around here. Whereas if you go to London, that is possible. So essentially see it like that. We are a radio and we need to tune our frequency. What do you want your frequency to be on? Is it that of abundance? If so, then we need to shift our reality to that frequency of abundance. Because when you shift your reality to that frequency of abundance, you begin to quantum leap into your new reality. And then you begin to resonate at a completely different frequency. And this new frequency that you're resonating at allows these things to happen, these miracles, these manifestations, they begin to come to you. because you've raised your vibration, and this can happen both positive and negative. You can lower your vibration by doing all these negative things, by getting into fights all the time, by being negative towards yourself, by hating everyone, by hating on yourself, by doing just all these negative activities, and that begins to lower your vibration. So you are quantum leaping into a negative reality versus a positive one. So then you're probably saying, how do we go into the positive one? And the answer is very simple. The more you focus on the feelings of what it feels like to be in this positive reality, the more you attune your frequency to this of your positive reality, the more you will attract that positive reality. So these are the methods that you can use in order to shift your reality to and quantum leap into this desired reality. First things first, we need to understand what is a high vibrational activity. Something like meditation, something like self-hypnosis. And if you want to understand hypnosis to a deeper degree, send me a message or head over to my website, www.maxhindle.com, so that we can schedule in for 2021, the new year, new you. We can shift your reality and quantum leap you to your new reality. It goes down to eating higher vibrational foods, being around higher vibrational people, listening to high vibrational content, listening to high vibrational music, reading high vibrational books. So for example, is the music you're listening to talking about killing people, stabbing people, robbing people? Or is it talking about how amazing life is, how grateful you can be? And there's multiple videos, and I did actually do a video explaining the types of music you can listen to, so check this up here. And this will begin to shift your reality to your new frequency, which therefore is so that you're not living in the old model of reality, which is the cause and effect model. You're not waiting for your money to feel wealthy. You're not waiting for the new partner to feel love. You're causing an effect. You are now beginning to live in the quantum model of reality. And that just means you are changing your reality by the way that you are feeling. So it starts from the inside out versus being the outside in. So for example, people would tend to, in the past, wait for the money to come, then they will feel wealthy. Whereas what we're saying here, and what is scientifically proven, people like Joe Dispenza doing amazing work, all these different people that are out there that are making such an impact, proving that this quantum model of reality is actually a real thing. And what they are saying is that you can feel it inside to manifest it outside. It doesn't have to be outside for you to feel it inside. We are changing the way that we work as people so that we can manifest what we want. Now you have that ability. You have all of that ability within you. No matter what you've been through, no matter where you started in life, where you started is irrelevant to where you can end up. Where you can end up is one of those realities that is your most desired reality, the happiest, the healthiest, the wealthiest, the most free, the most confident, the strongest. That is possible. That reality is out there. All you need to do is by beginning to quantum jump through things like meditation or hypnosis. And as I said, let me know if you want any hypnosis and we can get that sorted. And using this on a day-to-day basis so that you change your frequency. And you've probably heard people talking about frequency before in the past. And the frequency, as I said, is just how we resonate. Are you resonating at 100? Are you resonating at 5? We need to work out where we're resonating and where we need to get to in order for this to manifest. Now, this is going to manifest if you allow it to. But that doesn't mean, and you can watch some of my other videos talking about how I got a certain amount of 153,000 followers on TikTok. There's a reality with me with 153,000 followers on YouTube. I need to align my thoughts, which are the goals of what I want, with the feelings of what it would feel like, which I now know from having followers on TikTok, it's not really that much different. It's not. Then taking action every single day and saying, I'm not going to try this for 30 days and then give up. I'm going to do this until I get 153,000 on YouTube. So I could approach it with that negative attitude of, yeah, but if it doesn't work in 30 days, I'm just going to give up. Which you're not moving into that quantum model. You're not moving into the desired outcome, and you're not quantum jumping into your new reality because your actions are not aligning your thoughts. Whereas if you say, I will do whatever it takes in order to get there, it's going to happen. I will do whatever it takes to release this trauma. I will do whatever it takes to make a certain amount of money. I will do whatever it takes to get the love of my life. I will do whatever it takes to become the healthiest version of me. And you can make that happen in a very short period of time. What it comes down to is, how much effort are you putting into raising your vibration in order to match the desired reality? So you have that ability, and I want you to know that. So I hope this video has given you some information and some inspiration to help you change your life, to shift your reality to the new understanding, and making those vibrational changes in your life to raise your vibration. But other than that, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post. But have an absolutely amazing day. Keep spreading love, kindness, and so much positivity. Yeah.